how to use the RSI indicator, a really powerful tool if used correctly. For that reason, this video will be all about it. You will learn exactly what the RSI indicator is, how to apply it to the chart, and of course, how to use it effectively for your trading. And we will discuss further what most traders do wrong with the RSI indicator and how you can prevent doing the same mistakes as they do and use it the right way directly. So let's don't waste any time and start right away at the chart, where we will start with applying the indicator. We go here in technicals, type in the RSI, and here you get the relative strength index. Click on it and it gets applied to the chart. I will stretch it out so you can take a better look, and then I will also remove the MA because we don't need it. And here you also see the standard 14 periods that the RSI uses. And it is making an average of the last 14 candles, takes the average loss and the average gain and puts it into relation. And what's coming out of this, what the RSI is well known for, we will take a look at that right away. We have here a level of 70 and also a level of 30. And these two levels are the major levels you have to know using the RSI indicator. As soon as the indicator dives above the 70 line, we have an overbought situation here, so an expensive price. And as soon as the market drops below the 30 line, then we have an oversold situation here, so a really cheap price. This is why we often see taking profits here. So this often causes pullbacks or reversals, what this indicator is signaling us. And this also leads many people to using it as buy and sell signals. So now we take a look how it's traditionally used, or how most traders use it. They use it directly as a buy or sell signal. So in this case, it would be a sell signal here because we have an expensive price. The trader would go short here. And we see at this point, of course, the market goes short, but we are also in an uptrending movement. It's not for a long period. It's just a short movement. So it's only a pullback. So you have to know that. And down here, it would be a buy signal. So let's see here, the market is right at this point where the RSI dives above the 30 line again. So this movement we could catch with the signal here, but you see it's good to not use it by itself. So many traders use these signals as buy or sell signal. It can work, of course, but what most traders do wrong, they use it as entry signal without knowing where they exit the market. They give away all the profits they've already made just because they don't have an exact exit scenario. So it's of course a possible strategy, but I would definitely recommend to not use it as a whole strategy, as you should never do in trading. Don't use an indicator as a whole strategy. Use it as powerful addition to your analysis. That way you will create a strategy that is more powerful than just an indicator that everyone could use, that is even more precise. So for example, that sell signal that we saw here, you see we have a uptrend at this moment. We're making higher highs and higher lows. So we know this is only a pullback taking place from here to here. And we also see that there is an area where the market has reacted to quite often. So we also know when we enter the market at this position that the market probably doesn't drop further down than up to this level, where it probably finds support again before continuing long. That way you create an exact exit scenario and an exact strategy which is repeatable and proven. So for that reason, it's really important to know your current market phase and of course the significant support and resistance levels where there's a high potential that the market will react to it again. So take this into account for your trading as well, and then you will create an even more powerful strategy, because this is a really precise trade. And after that, down here, the upwards example, we would enter the market right here and would have a long way up. You see the market is doing higher high and higher lows up to here. And then you see that the market drops. I will just use the old one. That the market drops below the last low. And this is the latest point where you should drop out of the market. Because, of course, the market can come sometimes further down than just the regular 30 to 70%. So 100% is okay, but dropping further down, making a new lower low, you know, this is a break in the trend. So you should definitely exit here at the latest. And then you have beautiful profits based in a well-known analysis. So you can really calculate your risk. You can really calculate your risk reward ratio, and you have a repeatable, good working strategy. That should be it for today. A really quick tutorial on the RSI indicator. If you have any questions regarding this topic, please comment below and I will be happy to help. If you like this video, don't forget to push the thumb up button, and then I will see you next week with the next video. And don't forget to visit my website. You'll find the link below this video and find all information about trading with me and learning more from me. Bye bye, see you soon.